ready to plant up my chocolate beauty peppers and my Cubanelle peppers. These are the pea pellets that I got from Paul and Naj from winning their giveaway. And this is what these look like when you first get them. This is what they look like when you add some hot water to them, and they are ready to be planted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these old containers, look, that I got there. There used to be banana nut muffin container, and I'm going to try and see if I can use this container to plant these seeds in. So I'm just going to put 3 on each side. Let's see how many I can get in here. I think I can get 3. I'm going to do 3 on that side, 3 on this side. Squeeze that one in there. We gotta push this one up a little bit. And then I'm gonna try to squeeze these ones in here. I'm gonna put both the chocolate beauty pepper and the Cubanelle peppers in here. So I am going to get these situated in here, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna plant these up. See, telling you, repurpose, reuse, even a banana nut muffin container. I am told you I'm going to get me lots and lots of peppers this year. That is my goal. And trust and believe, Miss Renee is working on that peppers. I'm going to have a bunch of peppers. All right, let me get these pea pellets in this container, and let's get these peppers going. Guys, so I am ready to plant up my Cubanelle bell pepper, which is right here, and then my chocolate beauty bell pepper. I told you I am getting my peppers ready to be going outside when the time is right. I'm not playing around. Miss Renee gonna have her some serious peppers out there in my garden this year. Let's get to planting. The first one I'm going to plant is going to be the Cubanelle pepper, which I've shown you this before, and they have 50 seeds in this packet right here, and then in the chocolate beauty one it has 15. So let's get to planting. So as you know, I'll bring you down. As you know, I'm using a banana nut muffin container, and I've already labeled my Cubanelle peppers are going to be on this side. I'm going to have some Cubanelles on this side, and then the 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom is going to be chocolate beauty peppers. So as you can see, so Cubanelle is first. I'm going to put 1 seed in each one of those cells, and that's what the seeds look like. So I just take my little chopstick here, and I make holes in each one of these, and then I'm just going to drop a seed in each one of these. I've already made holes on this side, so I'm putting Cubanelle on this side. Alright, put the rest of my seeds in my package, and these are supposed to germinate within 10 to 21 days, so you know I've already marked that in my planner already. And then these ones are going to be the chocolate beauties, and these are what those seeds look like. So I'm going to put 2 up here, so I'm going to have 4 plants of that if they come up. So I'm planting these just so I can have some extras. But if I get 4 plants of this chocolate beauty, I'm not going to be mad at this bell pepper. I'm going to be excited and welcome it on in. And then this one, the Cubanelle peppers, I've got 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So I'm going to have a total of 8 plants of the Cubanelle. So I'm just going to cover them up. And this is almost the texture of that cocoa core type of soil, because it's not like the regular pellets that I normally get from like Lowe's or Home Depot. So I'm thinking this is a cocoa core. This will be my first time planting a cocoa core, so we shall see what happens. And these are already wet, so I don't have to worry about wetting them. And they're in a tight sealed container. And like I'm gonna just put these in my little table right here by my magical windowsill, and they are ready to go. And then we can see, because see, these are good containers, you can see right through them. So when they start popping up, I will see them growing. And probably later on this week, I already have 2 plants of this arugula. My friend gave me my package back. So this is what I have, 2 plants of the arugula growing upstairs already on my grow table upstairs. But I think I'm going to grow maybe 4 more of these, because I plan to have a lot of this mix too. Because I heard so much about it, so I know I'm just going to love it. And if I don't like it, then I'm just going to put this in one of my smoothies. So trust me, it won't go to waste. This is going to get eaten one way or another. Alright, you guys? So I just wanted to bring this video to you guys so that you know that Miss Renee is getting her peppers planted. And I'm so excited about it because, like I said, I am not messing around. I have the eye on the prize, and I'm going to get it to the finish line. And I'm so excited about this chocolate beauty pepper. Look at this. Just look at the color of that. I'm hoping I can get a taste of this, and I don't have to deal with the banded raccoon eating my pepper, because he loves coming over here for these peppers. I think he just taunts me. I think he just likes to take a bite of it, put it on the ground just to irritate me. But this is okay, because this year I'm going to put some kind of a chicken wire or something around it to where he won't be able to easily get to my bell peppers. That's the plan, and I'm sticking with it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that I am trying to get my bell peppers in these containers to get them to grow so I can have lots and lots and lots of bell peppers. I can't wait for spring to hit. I'm already excited because I'm looking at these bell peppers already growing on my grow table up there. So when they start getting their true leaves and stuff, I'll come back and I'll show you another video on that. Okay, I hope you guys are getting your seeds in and getting ready for spring. Even though it's still cold outside, we can still grow inside. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee will definitely see you guys in the next video. Much love, you guys. Love you all. Take care.